Hi there, my name is Sheldon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new item transfer. If you ever wish to move your inventory from one area to another, including but not limited to moving items to and from fleet vehicles, sales agents, or even from one bin to another, you'll most likely need to use what I'm about to show you in order to track your item's movement within your company. So let's start. I'll click the Item Management link, then Transfers. Listed in the Transfer Manager are all of the item transfers performed. If you wish to view the details of one, just click it. To create a new transfer, click the New Transfer icon and a blank transfer opens. The optional header information is used to speed up the process of transferring if you're moving large volumes of items from the same location or perhaps to the same destination location. You can indicate what the default should be, so when adding your line items, the system auto-populates with what you had selected in the header. If you have a unique document number and you wish to associate this number to the transfer, you can type it into the document number field here. I'm going to enter a comment here to indicate why the transfer was performed. Now there are two methods of doing an inventory transfer in this module. The first is a quick entry option, and it's used if you utilize barcoding and wish to just scan the items you're transferring. It's quite simply a one-step process in this case. The other method is the most commonly used method for those people who don't use barcoding. I'll be demonstrating both options in this presentation. Back to creating my transfer. Let's start by using the quick scan option. FreshVu2Go supports the scanning of 2D barcodes, UPC, and even the serial number of the items you're moving. It's important to note that if you scan the serial number for an item in inventory, the system will automatically insert the initial location. This is because it knows where that specific serialized item resides. Let's scan a UPC code. So we indicate that we're scanning UPC. And now I'm going to pick the initial location I'm transferring the item from and the final location I plan on transferring it to. When I'm ready to insert it, I just click Add. You notice that the item you scanned is now added to the grid below. You'll also notice that the initial and the final locations are still populated above. This is for quick entry in case you're moving multiple items from the same location into the same location, or perhaps you have to scan the exact same item more than one time. Let's do that very thing. You'll notice by scanning the same item multiple times, it increased the quantity that you're transferring accordingly. The Details section also displays the item quantity available in the location you're transferring from. Now I'm going to add an item to the transfer using the other method of entry. Click the new line icon, and in the item description field, I'll type in my item's description. The quantity defaults to 1. Of course I can edit this if I want. I'll change my quantity to 4. Pick the location I'm transferring this item to, and it can be an alternate location. It doesn't have to be the same final location in the same document. And click Update. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, click the Save icon, print, and your transfer is complete.